Samsung's flagship mobile, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, is set to be released in early 2023. Before every major release, designs, specifications, and more tend to get leaked, and Samsung has not been safe from them. Various details and pictures of the upcoming S23 series are going around on the internet that reveals the phone's designs, camera modules, sizes, and more. From what's been leaked, it can be seen that Samsung is continuing with a simple design for the S23 Ultra, adopting the looks of its predecessor, the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Besides, we already have a pretty good idea of what the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is going to offer, thanks to the many rumors detailing the ins and outs of the upcoming release. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with 4 rear cameras, a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto with 10x optical zoom camera. However, the certification documents claim that it has 12MP telephoto cameras, likely because Samsung upscales images from its 10MP sensors to 12MP resolution for consistency. As expected, Samsung's flagship mobile is set to have top-of-the-line specifications. The Galaxy S23 Ultra's specifications were recently leaked as well. That reveals a 6.8-inch screen, the same as the Galaxy S22 Ultra, a Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 CPU, 12GB RAM, up to 1TB of storage, and 5000 mAh battery capacity. Based on leaks, a Samsung Unpacked event is planned for early February 2023, which suggests that the phone's release date is scheduled for mid-February, which is unsurprising as the previous Galaxy S22 series was also released in the month of February.